Hi traders, good evening. Welcome back to post market analysis of Nifty and BankNifty today. Let's start with BankNifty. Okay. So today BankNifty had a trending day, almost till mid afternoon. After that, a little pullback and then consolidation. Okay. So if we see the levels, where could we have been, where we could have been entered and take profit and all. Okay. So on Friday, the levels were like a day low and a day high was important because from day low there was a price momentum, and from day high also there was little price momentum was there actually back to CPR. So both the levels were important for today's session. Okay, for today's trading session, and also previous days on Thursday also that was day low you have marked, and this day also I think Wednesday day low also, because Wednesday day low is very important because it has moved a lot from here. Okay, a lot of points it has moved, so this is very important level to mark, and even this level also was important because it has moved from here to here, and this level was a little, I mean, like a minor because it has not moved much. There was all consolidation, so this is not that important level. Okay, so we have drawn all three important levels here: PDL and this PDL and Wednesday's PDL. All PDLs we have marked, and market has opened here, and PDH also we have marked here, and above PDH there is strong resistance which is there for a very long time. Okay. When market opened today, it is a narrow CPR. It shows a narrow CPR shows some trending day. Okay. Either it can be upside or downside. By looking at this candle, the first green candle, a lot of people might have thought, because CPR is narrow and the candle also green candle, so let's go for long and let's make money. Okay, the people, a lot of people, they thought and they would have gone long, but immediately there is a resistance here. We should not go long on this first candle. Had it come here and made some consolidation then broke, then also not a good probable today, because immediately above there is a strong resistance. So until unless you break this level, Bank Nifty breaks this one, we do not have any long opportunity. We said this in last week also. Okay, so what happened is it price has come near the resistance here but did not touch it. Immediately it reversed and it made a very big bearish candle. So had this candle be little like this, had it be like this bearish candle, we can go for a short opportunity by putting stop loss here, and take profit could have been this PDL. Okay, because this, whenever CPR is very narrow, it is not having any power to act as resistance or support. Okay, it is weak. CPR is very weak when it is narrow. Okay, so that's why our target would be PDL if it would have been a small bearish candle, because as price moves towards the resistance and then makes a bearish candle, that is our entry. Okay, that is our ideal entry. So we missed an entry here. Okay, because the risk reward is not good because the candle is very big. But our next entry would have been, see, there is a the price is coming, the price is coming near the support. Okay, it came here but it made a bullish candle. Okay, it made a bullish candle. This would have been an entry for us actually. This is also risk reward is, I mean, like putting stop loss here is big only, but there is a room to move up to here. Okay, this would have been a good entry. If would have taken, people would have taken this entry. This is not a bad entry. Okay, if you have taken and hit a stop loss, that's okay. This is not a bad entry, this is a good entry. But only thing is, whenever this kind of move is there, this big move towards downside, and CPR is also very narrow, so those kind of this better not to take a reversal trades, because usually these kind of days it will be a trending days. Okay, there will be minor pullback and then immediately it comes and breaks it. Any other day, I mean, like if wide CPR days, it would have been a great entry actually. price coming near to support. It has fallen a lot of points, right? A continuous red candles it came and then made a bullish candle near the support. Okay, today I mean like today kind of thing, very narrow CPR days, we should not take a reversal entries basically. Okay, keep this in mind. Whenever CPR is very wide, you could have gone long here on this candle. Okay, so that is one entry, but that is a low probability today actually. Okay, next comes our proper entry, this one. Okay, price has come near to the support with the continuous red candles, and then there was a consolidation of few candles and then a breakout, a very high probability trade. Okay, yeah, people should have not missed this trade in bank nifty today. This is an entry and take profit. Obviously you could have take profit here at S2 level, or our next support level is here, you could have taken here. Ideally you should have taken at S2 level. Taking profit near classic pivots, that is S1 S2, is an ideal profit booking place. Okay, here you could have booked your profit. This is one trade which gave a nice profit. Okay, good profit. And the second entry would have been this one. Again price came again here and then made a bullish candle near support. Again I am saying this is a good trade when CPR is wide like this. Okay, today it is low probability, but this trade had failed when you have taken reversal trade, but this trade had worked actually. You could have gone long here and take profit would have been at PDL. Okay, so but I would recommend not to go long because of the narrow CPR, otherwise it would have been a good trade. Okay, and after that there is one more trade. People who have missed this particular entry now because a PDL breakout, they could have gone short near to this level. Had this candle came near to this PDL and made a bearish candle, that is an entry, because that is called a retest entry, retesting of breakout line. Very high probable trade which I've worked in my past. It worked very well for me. Whenever there is a breakout and again price comes back to that same level and made a bearish candle. If it is a downfall, made a bearish candle. If it is upfall, uptrend, then bullish candle. Okay, if it would have been this kind of candle, you can definitely enter here, very high probable, and you can take profit back to this current day low. Okay, that is good entry. Okay, that is after that it made a and one more entry you could see here. This red candle has broken this level, but remember there is a strong rejection in this candle. That means this acts as, this particular wick acts as strong support. Though it broke this line, you should have not gone short because it broke this line, because there is again a strong support here, because this wick support is there. You should have not gone short on this breakout. This is not at all a breakout actually. Okay, this is a breakout. This line, this big candle is a breakout, but where will you keep your stop loss if you enter here? Okay, this is not a good risk reward, because a very big candle, you cannot put stop loss here. If you enter, where will you take your, immediately there is S3 support. This is a poor risk reward, it's a poor trade. Okay, as per our support break trade, it is a trade, but it is not a good risk reward trade. Okay, only there are how many entries today and bank nifty? As per our analysis, there is one entry here, and there is second entry, there is third entry. Okay, only 3 entries. 2 hit a profit target, 1 hit a stop loss. Okay, if you could have followed risk reward of 1:2 risk reward, you could have made a money of 4 hour. I mean like here 2 hour, here 2 hour, and this is, you lost 1 hour. Okay, so 4% of your capital you have gained in 2 trades, you lost 1% of capital in one stop loss. That means 3% of your capital you have earned overall. If you have taken all the three trades, you lost here and you gained in these two trades, this one, and you lost 3% of your capital today. Okay, that's about Bank Nifty. Let's move on to Nifty. Okay, so this is Nifty chart. Nifty was also kind of average CPR today. Okay, and if you look at the levels, where is our level here? Not this one. This is a previous day. Okay, this is a previous day level. Here also price moved from this level, and this is also PDL. This is PDH and PDL. Both the levels are important because price has moved long from these levels. These are important levels. We have to mark it here. Okay. So when after the first candle, immediately after the first green candle, there was a little rejection, and then immediately there is a bearish candle. So price has moved back to resistance and made a bearish candle. This looks okay. This is a good entry here. You can go short on this candle. CPR you can ignore because it's average CPR, narrow CPR, less power it has compared to this CPR. CPR which has a wide this much range, this is having some significance. It has some power. That's why it has rejected from this level. Okay, wide CPRs are very strong. Narrow and average CPRs you can ignore if they are near your entry. Okay, you would have put stop loss here and you would have aimed to PDL. This is your target. Okay, this is the first trade which you could have entered. First trade, and risk reward is here. Actually today I took this trade and I booked the profit here. Okay, this is one very good entry. And second entry is, as I mentioned, the price has come near to support and made a proper bullish candle. Okay, this is a pin bar kind of thing, so it is very powerful, like very bullish candle. This is a very good entry. You should have entered here by long, and you can book profit near day's high again, or 1.5, 1:1.5 or 2R. Okay, maybe 1:2 you can have aimed for, but it gave you almost 1:1 risk reward, but it reversed. Okay, because the reason is narrow CPR or average CPR. So these kind of these reversal trades may not work properly. You can avoid, but you can take also, but you should have scalped actually. 1:1 means some 20 points you could have collected in this candle. Okay, this is kind of a break even or stop loss trade, I would say. Okay, then if people who have went long on this candle, their stop loss would have hit in this candle, immediately they can take one more entry on this red candle. This is a very high probable because price has come here and it has consolidated. It has, the price was here for some time and then it broke. This is very high probable trade. You could have gone short on this candle as well. You could have put a stop loss above S1 level and you could have aimed for this one. Actually there is one more support line here. If you see here, this one, there is a bounce back, but you can ignore because these are very near. The support lines are very near. There is and the trend also kind of bearish. If you see the size of the candle is very big, so the space between this line and this line is very near. So obviously we can expect, because a lot of people would have entered here because this is a very good entry. It has broken S1 as well as PDL. Both S1 plus PDL break is very high probable. So you could have ignored this support actually, as it is very near to this. You could have ignored and you could have booked profit at this line, the next line, because this is very high. It should have given very good resistance support because very strong bullish momentum was there here. So it is very strong support. So you should have, at any cost, you should have booked your profit at this, near to this level. Okay, you should not wait price to go this level. This is S3. Okay, you should have booked profit here itself. Okay, then immediately next entry comes here when price has fallen so much here, and then made a bullish candle, near support. This would have been your ideal entry, and you could have take profit up to this line or 2R, wherever 2R comes. Okay, 2R means like whatever the stop loss, double the stop loss, the profit. Suppose stop loss is 20 points, you could have aimed for 40 points or 35 points. Okay, so this gave a good profit today based on our resistance and support levels. Okay, and the next entry would have been here, breaking of this level, this S3 level. This would have been an entry. You could have put stop loss near to this, and you would have aimed for this. Okay, this is also a good entry, but it failed. It took your stop loss. Okay, here you would have taken a stop loss. So total, one trade failed here, one trade worked here, one trade worked here, and one trade failed here. So total 4 trade opportunities. 2 hit your targets, 2 hit your stop loss. That means in 2 trades you earned 4R, and in 2 trades you lost 2R. That means overall you are plus 2R. That means you have 2% of capital gain. At the end of the day, you are in positive only. Though you lost 2 trades and you entered 2 right trades, it is 2% of your capital gain. So if you follow risk reward, you will be at least at a break even, or it could be in a profit. Okay, if you don't follow risk reward and enter randomly, you will not get consistency. Okay, so have a rule that only 2 trades per day. Okay, if only 2 trades per day means here one stop loss hit, one target hit, that's all. So it is 2R minus 1R, only 1R. 1% of the capital you could have gained, you would have ended with positive. Okay, so that's all. You should follow risk reward to be consistent trader. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's see tomorrow. Mark this level. This is a very important, because the price has moved from here like this. It's a trending, right? Price has moved a lot of points from here. So this is very important level for tomorrow if market opens here. Okay, if market opens here, this is also important, because the price has moved from here almost 800, means almost 80 points it has moved. Compared to this level is important. Okay, whenever next time price comes here, there are high chances to reverse and again fall. Just note these levels. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you, thanks for watching. Please subscribe this for more videos like this. So I'll be posting, I wanted to make few videos, actually educational videos on support, how to draw support and resistances. So I'll make it and coming days, coming couple of days. Okay, please subscribe this channel for those videos. Thank you.